nasi petitioner Sri Harishwar Goswami na MLA Mari NPP ki matakta amamam disqualification petition ayhat na mahaki council oiraga assisted by my two other colleagues oi disqualification petition ngasi mak file to fandre hairiba NPP ki MLA Mari singdudi ahan bada Kakshing Kendra ki Mayang Lambam Rameswar Singh matungda Moirang Kendra ki Thongam Shanti Singh matangda Moinang Kendra ki Irengbam Nalini Devi matungda Tamilong Kendra ki Zangemlung Panmai apoi mari sigi matakta apoi na disqualification petition se thajaki bani apoi na thajaki bada haijari si Honorable Supreme Court ki Shri K. Meghachandra ki case da judgment like within 3 months of the filing of the from the date of the filing of the disqualification petition, the Speaker Tribunal shall dispose the disqualification petition. Either aduna ko yam tuna athu matamda dispose torokani aduga hairiba MLA Mari asi disqualify torokani haibu kula set thajaba lai aduga hajik kari tage haibu koi mayam yengminaba tabe to the Speaker's Tribunal. Speaker manam de akoina thajariba KSC Honorable Speaker's Tribunal. Maram se main oi basi akoina haijari basi e hajiki hairiba MLA Mari sina akoi National Party President na hajiki lairiba BJP sarkar asidagi officially withdraw tawgraba pawada in writing makoina sanghaluraga support option ba makoina sanghalaga meeting yaw natana with their own signature yawraga joint tawsaluba asu mayam du di course of action development ki nasi koina 10 schedule ki makhada संविधान कंदे यादे है ना कोई कृष्णा श्री हरीश और गोस्वामी ने था।